I've never fooled anyone. I've let people fool themselves. They didn't bother to find out who and what I was. Instead, they would invent a character for me. I wouldn't argue with them. They were obviously loving somebody I wasn't. Sometimes things fall apart, so that better things can fall together. A wise girl knows her limits, a smart girl knows that she has none. Imperfection is beauty, madness is genius, and it's better to be absolutely ridiculous than absolutely boring. If I'd observed all the rules, I'd never have got anywhere. We should all start to live before we get too old. Fear is stupid. So are regrets. I don't want to make money, I just want to be wonderful. I don't mind living in a man's world as long as I can be a woman in it. A career is born in public, talent in privacy. What do I wear in bed? Why, Chanel No. 5, of course. It's all make-believe, isn't it? Who said nights were for sleep? Most importantly, keep smiling. Because life is a beautiful thing and there's so much to smile about. Give a girl the right shoes and she can conquer the world. We are all of us stars, and we deserve to twinkle. A woman knows by intuition, or instinct, what is best for herself.